In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer music to the Redmi Watch 6. And the process is quite simple. First things first, you want to go over to your phone. And so the first step you want to take is to open up the Mi Fitness application and navigate to the devices tab at the bottom. You can see that mine is already connected with my Redmi Watch 6. And to transfer music, you want to navigate to the apps option from over here. Then tap on music, then to manage music at the top. At this point, you want to locate the music plus icon at the top over here. Go ahead and tap on it. This is going to ask you for permission to access your phone's files. Go ahead and tap on the OK button and you can literally see all of the audio files on my phone over here. You should also already have downloaded the music which you want to transfer into your Redmi Watch 6. You can download from the internet royalty-free music or any music you want to play using your Redmi Watch 6. Then you want to select on the music from over here. You can as well select more than one music, but for this video I will just select this one, then tap on the plus or check icon at the top over here. You can literally see the music is currently being imported into my Redmi Watch 6. Once the upload is complete, you just want to tap on the close button at this particular point. You can see the song over here. And now to play the song on your Redmi Watch 6, you just have to go over to the music player app on your Redmi Watch 6. Tap on the music player app, and then you want to tap on this three dot icon at the bottom over here. Then tap on music source and then select on watch. So basically it should be on the phone option, meaning that it is only used for music playbacks. But then if you can set it to watch and then go back to the music player app again, and you can see the song I just uploaded from my phone into the Redmi Watch 6, and I can go ahead and play the song directly from here. You can literally hear the audio. The Redmi Watch 6 actually has a speaker, so you're going to be hearing your music pretty clear. And while uploading your music, you want to also make sure that you do not exhaust the storage space that is actually available on this device. You can see the storage space over here. And if this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.